Are you drowning in research papers, struggling to organize your literature review, or just looking for a smarter way to navigate the academic maze? What if I told you that you can transform this daunting task into a streamlined and enjoyable process with the right AI tools? Stay tuned as I show you how AI can revolutionize your literature review, saving you time, stress, and effort. As you know, a literature review is the backbone of any academic research. It helps you understand the scope of existing knowledge, identify trends, and spot gaps to carve out your own research niche. Traditionally, it's a tedious process, manually collecting, analyzing, and synthesizing data. But today, we are diving into how you can automate much of the grunt work using cutting-edge AI tools. From planning and discovery to organization and writing, this step-by-step guide will help you craft a comprehensive literature review faster and smarter. Hi everyone, welcome back to IdeaX Hub. I'm Sukhdev Singh, and today, we are into second episode of our brand new series on how AI can revolutionize every stage of your research journey. First episode focused on planning your research project using AI tools. In that video, we had explored a step-by-step guide for planning your research using cutting-edge AI tools. In case you missed that, you can view it now by clicking on the I shown above. In this second episode, we'll explore a step-by-step guide to conducting a literature review using cutting-edge AI tools. We'll also share the best tools for each stage and practical tips to help you succeed. Let's start with the basics. A literature review is not just a summary of previous studies. It's a critical synthesis of what's been done, why it matters, and where the gaps lie. It lays the groundwork for your own research by 1. Mapping the scope of current knowledge. 2. Identifying key trends and debates. 3. Highlighting gaps that your research can fill. A literature review might seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into 6 manageable phases makes it much easier to tackle. Each phase is a critical step in building a comprehensive and insightful review of your field of study. 1. Planning and structuring. This is where you map out your approach and set the foundation. 2. Literature discovery. Next, you dive into finding the sources that will shape your understanding. 3. Organizing and managing sources. Here, you sort and store your references systematically. 4. Analyzing and synthesizing information. This phase is all about breaking down the content and drawing meaningful connections. 5. Writing and integration. You then compile your findings into a cohesive narrative. 6. Review and refinement. Finally, you polish your work to ensure clarity and rigor. The foundation of a successful literature review starts with a clear and focused research question. Ask yourself, what exactly do you want to learn? Define the key questions and objectives that guide your research. This step is crucial because it shapes your entire review process and ensures you stay on track. Before diving deep into your research, discuss your ideas with your supervisor. Their expertise can help refine your research question and ensure your approach aligns with academic standards. This is also a great opportunity to address any initial challenges you might face. Now it's time to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to create an outline for your literature review. Simply ask the tool for help structuring your review. For example, can you help me come up with a structure for a literature review on your topic? This provides a clear roadmap for organizing your ideas. Next, determine the boundaries of your research. What types of studies are you focusing on? Which methodologies, publication types, or geographical locations are relevant? Define clear keywords to ensure your search is efficient and targeted. Finally, identify the core concepts linked to your research question. These will form the backbone of your search strategy and ensure you cover all the necessary aspects of your topic. There are some tools which can help. Notion, organize ideas and create a roadmap for your review. Obsidian, build knowledge maps to link your thoughts. Elicit, refine your research questions and explore understudied areas using AI. After planning and structuring, next phase of literature review is literature discovery. Begin your literature discovery by conducting broad searches using tools like Google Scholar. Focus on foundational papers and use the citation count as a guide to assess their importance. This helps you identify the most influential works in your field. Move beyond simple keyword searches with semantic search tools like Elicit. These tools allow you to ask research questions directly. For example, explain the impact of Facebook on academic performance among Delhi University students. Elicit helps discover relevant papers by focusing on the meaning behind your query. Visual mapping tools like Connected Papers and Litmaps are excellent for understanding research networks. Connected Papers generates graphs showing related works, while Litmaps uses citation networks to reveal influential papers and unexpected connections. ResearchRabbit offers AI-driven paper recommendations, tailoring your search even further. AI-powered search engines like Consensus AI make literature discovery smarter and faster. These tools summarize key points, highlight the most cited works, and offer filtering options for parameters like citation count and publication year. Consensus even features a consensus meter to display the overall opinion in the field. You can utilize open knowledge maps to find open access papers. This tool emphasizes freely available content, ensuring you access valuable resources without hitting paywalls. Useful references selected during the literature discovery phase are required to be properly stored and organized. This is the organizing and managing sources phase of literature review process. Streamline your research process with reference management tools like Mendeley or Zotero. These tools allow you to organize, annotate, and easily generate citations and bibliographies, saving you valuable time. Keep your notes systematic by using a digital notebook or spreadsheet. Record key details about each article, including findings, methodologies, and limitations. Use labels to organize your notes by themes or categories. Reference management tools like Zotero have facility to add multiple notes and attachments which can also be used for this purpose. Store your research papers in a well-organized folder system. Create subfolders based on categories like topics, publication years, or research questions to make your PDFs easy to locate. For seamless integration with Google Docs, use tools like Paperpile. It is designed for efficient citation management and makes collaborative writing projects much smoother. Its free alternatives, Mendeley or Zotero, can also be used. AI tools, like AI-enabled PDF readers, can help extract key details from research papers, such as important data, methods, and findings. This is especially useful for quickly identifying relevant information in lengthy documents. OpenRead's Paper Espresso feature allows you to upload papers and extract important information in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant for your research. With Cite, you can explore how papers are cited in subsequent studies. It highlights whether citations are supportive, neutral, or contrasting, offering deeper insights into the paper's impact. With Google Notebook LM, you can upload all your files and resources related to your research, and it will provide insights from these files. Next phase of literature review is analyzing and synthesizing information. The first step of this phase is to summarize relevant research. AI can be a powerful ally in summarizing research. Use tools to create study snapshots that highlight key differentiators like population, methods, outcomes, and results. This provides a clear and concise overview of the most relevant studies. AI tools like Perplexity AI can help you uncover key trends and themes from your literature review, while tools like Doc Analyzer can extract detailed insights, such as efficiency levels, from your collection of papers. Next step is to find knowledge gaps. AI analysis can also help pinpoint gaps in the current knowledge base. These gaps are valuable opportunities to define the focus of your original research contribution. To uncover research gaps, start by examining sections like limitations and future directions in academic papers. These often point out unresolved issues. Tools like Elicit and SCI Space simplify the process by identifying gaps directly from documents. There are three main types of gaps. Population gaps arise when research focuses only on specific groups, like students. Methodological gaps show when certain methods or evidence are underexplored. Conceptual gaps occur when alternative theories remain untested. By reviewing the literature, you can find patterns, conflicts, and missing connections. AI tools like Perplexity AI and Consensus help summarize trends, while Gemini AI suggests new research topics. Using AI tools to compare papers allows you to analyze methodologies, summarizing their strengths and weaknesses. This comparison helps refine your own research approach. For qualitative analysis, consider using Vivo. It's a robust tool for thematic coding and analyzing patterns in textual data. You can also try some free alternatives. Paper Digest simplifies the process of comparing studies and extracting key insights. It provides an overview of findings across multiple papers, making your analysis more efficient. Writing and integration is the next phase of literature review. Start writing your literature review by breaking it down into sections based on your initial outline. Each section should address a specific aspect of your research question, creating a clear and logical flow. AI writing tools like Videmak or Gemini AI can help you structure your literature review, generate headings, and define key concepts. Use features like the chat tool to brainstorm section ideas and analyze your document for improvements. Fill each section with details from your research. Use concise, evidence-based writing to present key findings, methods, and arguments. While AI-generated text can save time, always verify it against your research. Paraphrase the content to ensure originality and cite sources appropriately. Use AI tools to brainstorm opposing arguments and create smooth transitions between sections. Incorporate references seamlessly using your chosen reference manager. Tools like Zotero or Paperpile can help you insert citations and format your bibliography in any required style. Final phase of literature review is review and refinement. Begin your review process by conducting a technical review. Verify that all citations are accurate, properly formatted, and correspond to your reference list. Review the content for clarity, flow, and coherence. Ensure that each section transitions smoothly into the next, creating a cohesive narrative. AI tools like Grammarly or Trinka can help ensure your literature review is free from grammatical errors and stylistic inconsistencies. These tools provide suggestions for improvements to make your writing clearer and more professional. Check for originality using plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin. This step ensures your work is unique and properly references all sources. Use tools like EndNote to double-check that your references are formatted correctly according to the required citation style. Make final adjustments to your paper to enhance readability. Ensure consistent font size, spacing, and margin alignment for a polished, professional appearance. Literature review will be painless if it is done in a systematic manner and with the assistance of the latest AI tools. With these tools, you can save time and focus on what matters most, your research. In the next episode of this series, we'll explore data collection with AI. Check the video description for links to some of these AI tools. I also shared a template for conducting step-by-step literature reviews with AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on academic and professional success. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. To wrap up, a well-prepared literature review plan is your roadmap to success. AI tools make it simpler and faster. Until the next episode, happy researching.